Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I'm doing another episode on Never Out of Fashion. And you guys know already, it's Yamaha RX100, one of the legendary bikes that you can possibly see in India. And even today you will get more than 10 heads turning whenever you are on this bike traveling in any of the roads. This is a 1987 fully restored back to stock condition RX100. Original color of this particular bike was silver. Now the owner has made it into maroon, and it's in fantastic condition. So the RX100 saw a lifespan from 1985 to 1996, and when you talk about the engine, it was a 100cc engine with 11 horsepower at 8500 rpm, and also the tank capacity was 10.5 liters. The weight was one of the biggest plus points. This was 95 kilos on dry weight and 103 kilos when it was wet. That made it very nimble, very easy to maneuver. All the stunt guys loved this because they could easily do a lot of stunt. Also on track, people used to go mad with this bike. And since it was a two-stroke, you had to mix oil with the petrol. With every liter, 20 ml of oil was supposed to be mixed in the fuel whenever you fuel this machine. Let's have a closer look at the instrument cluster. So you have the regular odo, kilometer, then you have left indicator and right indicator, neutral sign, and also high beam. Let's move on to the handle. So you had high beam, low beam, light switch on button and switch off, and then you have indicator, left indicator, right indicator, and horn button. And on to the right hand side, it was just normal. It was one of the very unique looking tank and also made a big impression. Yamaha came with a lot of other models after RX. There was RXG, RXZ, RX135, but then this one was the most famous. Now let's hear how this machine sounds. So Yamaha RX came with telescopic front fork, KYB made in Japan, swing arm rear telescope with spring. This has been an iconic bike for Yamaha from the time they launched this bike, and this bike is one of the most popular two-stroke bike even today. Even today, people go mad if there's somebody who wants to sell their RX100. There are hundreds of people who are ready to buy this bike and modify this. That's about this bike, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed what I did. And if you're new to this channel, hit the subscription button and also the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I upload. If you like this video, please comment. And if you have any suggestion or any inputs, please comment below and I'll be more than happy to do that. And until the next time, keep it rolling. Do not drink and drive or ride. Be safe, drive safe, and ride safe. Bye bye guys. See you.